Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kalair jong ka election siapo kayong dorba tauan ke jela kalanang kawe hakaba menta kasngi ka Seng United Democratic Party kalapan benai ki Kyrtong jong ki laipu arngut ki Kyrtong hakathop ka baningkong ki banya kun ka election MLA house nam arajar arpulai kita gi laipu arngut ki Kyrtong ki kanthop na ki constituency bapher ka rilum khasi jantia bat nagaru hills hagate ga sngi tang arngut ki Kyrtong ki klem lala satya ban poi hagate ga jingelang badya ki Kyrtong jong ki laipu arngut ki Kyrtong lapan bana da general secretary ka Seng uba Gemino Mautho balapan kop buram ki da president ka Seng uba met ba lingdo.
Today is a very important day for a party, and today I feel that it is also a very special day for the party. In fact, we are the first party to make the first announcement of the list of candidates who are going to contest in the coming assembly elections 2023. I will read out the names of the candidates whom the State Election Committee has approved on the 22nd of November 2022. I just wanted to remind you that on the 22nd of November, the State Election Committee sat and the State Election Committee approved 32 names. This is the first list, 32 names from the different constituencies, from the different districts of the state of Meghalaya. But unfortunately, because of the Mukro incident, we were not able to make the announcement on the 22nd of November, so we had to postpone it till today. So as requested by the President, I will read out the names of the candidates which the State Election Committee has approved, and after reading out the names, later on, I'll call each and every one of them, one by one, to come forward. And I would like to request our respected President to do the honor of felicitating them. I will read out the list of the candidates, starting from UDP, from East Jaintia Hills District, from 6th Cleariat Constituency, Shri Kerman Shilla, from West Jaintia Hills District, West Jaintia, I'll read out the names first and then we will call one by one. From West Jaintia Hills District, we have 5 candidates. From 1 Nartiang Constituency, Shri Dawan Lingdo. From 2 Joai Constituency, Shri Moonlight Paryat. From 3 Raliang Constituency, Shri J. Trailang Suchang. From 4 Mukayao Constituency, Shri Nujorki Sungo. From 7 Amlarem Constituency, Shri Lakman Rumbui. From Ribhoi District, we have 3 candidates. From 8 Mahati Constituency, Shri Bayahun Lang Makdo. From 10 Jirang Constituency, Shri Badhok Nongmale. From 11 Umsning Constituency, Shri Sunshine Makri. From East Khas Hills District, from 13 Maurangkning Constituency, Dr. Osafi Switson Jirwa. From 20 Milliam Constituency, Shri Mitchell Wankar. From 23 Soyong Constituency, Shri HDR Lingdo. From 25 Mausanram Constituency, Shri Olan Singh Sun. From 26 Shela Constituency, Shri Balajit Kupar Sinrem. From 27 Panursla Constituency, Shri Anthony Khongwang. From 28 Sora constituency, Shri Titos Tarwell Khan. From 29 Maukenro constituency, Shri Remington Pengro. So altogether, 8 candidates from East Khasi Hills. Then from West Khasi Hills district, we have from 32 Nongson constituency, Shri Polestar Nongsit. Then we come to Eastern West Khasi Hills district. From 31 Mauthat Rashan constituency, Shri Brolding Nongsit. From 30 Mairang constituency, Shri Medba Lingdo. And then we come to Southwest Khasi Hills. From 35 Ranikor constituency, Shri Pius Marwin. Then we come to Shillong City. From 17 North Shillong constituency, Dr. Amanwar. From 18 West Shillong, Shri Paul Lingdo. From 21 Nong Thamai constituency, Dr. Jemino Mautho. And then we have 3 candidates as of now from Shillong City. And then we have from Garo Hills. From North Garo Hills district, we have 4 candidates. From 37 Kharkuta constituency, Shri Ludeberg C.H. Momin. From 38 Mendipathar constituency, Shri Subroto G. Mara. From 39 Resubelpara constituency, Shri Taposh D. Mara. From 40 Bajengdova constituency, Shri Rakman C.H. Marak. And then we have from East Garo Hills district, from 42 Rongjeng constituency, Shri Andreas G. Momin. And then finally we have from West Garo Hills district, 2 candidates. From Southwest Garo Hills, we have from 55 Salman Para constituency, Shri Ronald Rickman Sangma. And then we have from West Garo Hills district, 2 candidates. From 57 Dalu constituency, Shri Kennethson R. Sangma. And we have from 47 Rajabala constituency, Shri Ashahel D. Shira. So friends, altogether we have about 30 candidates who are present here. And one candidate is not able to come because of his sickness. And one candidate is on the way from Garo Hills. The total number is 32.